Let's learn a little bit about laundry symbols. Laundry symbols are mostly universal. They have replaced the written instructions we used to always find on our clothing tags. However, now that our clothing is made all over the world and then shipped to wherever we're living, whichever country, we have like a universal laundry language using symbols. Here is a label symbol guide from Clorox. I will include a link to this printout down below so you can have it handy at home. I suggest printing it out, putting a copy on the inside of your laundry cabinet or the broom closet in your laundry room for quick reference. Now, one thing this list doesn't show you is the numbers. Sometimes you will see the wash symbol with a number inside of it. These numbers mean the max possible water temperature that you should use when you're washing the clothing item. It's really simple once you know what these symbols mean. So go out, wash all the clothes, and never be worried about shrinking another shirt again.